How to fix device type unknown on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like device type unknown on Instagram. So if you are facing this problem, this video might be helpful to you. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open device settings. So from here tap on settings. Alright, so after you open the setting, you have to scroll down and go the option apps. So simply tap on this app settings. Alright, so from here you'll have to scroll down and find the application Instagram. And after you find the Instagram app, you'll have to just tap on it. Okay, so from the app info of Instagram, you'll have to scroll down and go the option storage. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here you'll have to tap on this clear data option just at the bottom left corner. Alright, tap on OK. So now from your Instagram app will be reset to its default version. So from your problem might be solved now. So this is the easiest and simplest method to fix device type unknown problem on your Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.